Farmer unions are all set to decide their future course of action today. The Samyukta Kisan Morcha is going to be meeting at Singhu border at noon to decide what next for the farm stir. Farmers' key meeting comes a day after their agitation completed 1 year. This is farmer unions have planned tractor rallies to Parliament on Monday. Farmers from Rajasthan, Haryana and other states have been asked to attend this meeting, which is likely to set the final roadmap for farmer demands, including law on MSP and compensation for deceased farmers' family, including others. Meanwhile, Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar has confirmed that law on MSP is unlikely. Khattar met Prime Minister Modi on Friday. The two leaders held discussions over the three farm laws ahead of the upcoming winter session. Khattar said it is not possible for the government to bring a law guaranteeing minimum support price on all crops, as it would put pressure on the government.
देखिए, अभी तो इस पर चर्चा कोई हुई नहीं है, लेकिन फिर भी किसानों में या जो विशेषज्ञ हैं, जो अर्थशास्त्री हैं कृषि के, उन सबको भी अलग अलग राय उनकी आ रही है कि ये किसी प्रकार से कानून बनाना इसमें संभव नहीं लगता है। कारण क्या है, कानून बनाने के बाद सरकार के ऊपर ही उन्नस आ जाता है कि सारी फसल फिर अगर कोई और नहीं खरीदे तो सरकार खरीदेगी। तो सरकार का इतनी आवश्यकता भी नहीं है और उसका एक सिस्टम बनना संभव भी नहीं है।
Shreya Chatterjee is getting us more details on that story that we are tracking. Good morning, Shreya. That it appears very, very evident right now that there is a big possibility that there would be a great deal of resistance from state chief ministers, like we've heard from Haryana Chief Minister already, on a proper law for minimum support price. And we do know that the farmers aren't going back until and unless that law is brought about, isn't it?
Well, that's exactly the scene. I mean, we've been seeing how the farmers have reiterated that they want surety on the MSP, if at all the government expects them to move back from the protest site. Remember, last week they'd also written an open letter to the Prime Minister. And today there's a crucial meeting at the Singhu where they will be taking the final call on what next. And they had delayed it in the last meeting because there was a midweek cabinet approval on the farm laws. Now that that has been done, it will be interesting to see whether the farmers, they buck in a little bit, but unlikely because the mood on the ground, we see that all the protest sites are right now swelling with more farmers joining on the 1 year anniversary. And hence today will be that crucial decision on whether or not they will also be taking out that tractor rally on the 29th of November during that opening of the winter session of the Parliament.
As up to speed with all of that, Shreya, with that report on how difficult then it is going to be for the farmers to go back, if at all they do not have a law on the minimum support price, something that they've been demanding for a while, but the demand obviously has been underscored time and again, even now, with farmers saying that they will not be going back if that is not something that the government allows.